Today we talk about how can you find your channels on your Zello app or post on your channel. So all you have to do, so you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you to post on your channels on Zello app. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on channels here, when you just click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list, and here you will find all contacts you have. It's going to show for you in this list here. Then all you have to do to post, just click in this sign here, and here can you hold on this, and here can you add use voice to add post here in this list, or here can you use photo here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.